Pampered Chef Karen here, and I just wanted to take a minute to show you the difference between the two peelers from Pampered Chef, our vegetable peeler and our serrated peeler. The basic vegetable peeler, it's great, it's really sharp. You're just going to use it. You can use it if you're left-handed as well. I know a lot of people who are left-handed have trouble finding stuff that go in both hands. So this is a really great peeler, super sharp, will stay sharp for a really long time. Now, the serrated peeler, it has, if you could see really close, those little serrated edges on the top and the bottom. This is for your thicker skins, like your eggplant and your butternut squash. And look how easy it is going to just peel that. So it's just going to give you a sharper finish for those thicker skins. All right, guys, so hope that was helpful. That's the difference between the two peelers, serrated and the vegetable from the Pampered Chef.